I just made over $1,000 trading indices using this simple strategy. And in this video, I'm going to break down this strategy for you. I'm going to show you how exactly it works. And I'm also going to show you how to install it on your phone or on your laptop. And I'm actually going to be giving away free spots in the VIP Signals group where you'll be able to trade with me. And I'm going to show you exactly how to trade with this simple strategy. Before we proceed, if you want to trade with me these indices, all you have to do is to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment down below. And then you can send me a screenshot onto my WhatsApp number showing me that you have done all the steps, and I'll be able to send you the link and instructions on how to come and trade with me. You'll be receiving free signals for the entire month of November and December. And all you have to do is to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. So let's go straight to the strategy, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can trade these indices. So now I'm going to show you how to install this simple strategy, and then I'll also show you how exactly to find trades when trading these Weltrade indices. So as you can see, I have a blank chart, and we're currently opening GainX 400. Now, if you send me a message on WhatsApp, I'll also show you how you'll be able to get these indices, as they are very easy to trade and very profitable. But for now, let me show you how you can actually trade them. So we are going to be using very simple indicators to find our entries. And the first indicator that I want to install is going to be the RSI. So I'm going to head on to the indicators section, click on main window, and then our first indicator is going to be the relative strength index. Now, this indicator will have the following properties: a period of 1, apply to close, and we're going to have these following levels. We're going to need level 20, level 80, and level 50. And our level 20 is labeled as an entry, as well as our level 80. And then we have our level 50 as TP, which means take profit level. I'm going to show you exactly how you'll be able to use that as we proceed. So once you're done, you simply click on done, and on visualization, just allow it to be on all time frames. Although I'm going to be showing you the exact time frame to use, but for now, let's keep it there. And then the styling for this indicator, I chose the white color, which is the same color as my background color. Please try and follow the same colors that I'm using. Then you can later on customize once you're comfortable with the strategy. Then I'm going to click done. And as you can see down below here, we have our levels set with this entry level, which is level 80, going up, level 50, which is our take profit level, and level 20, which is our entry level as well. Now we need to add more indicators so that we can have multiple confirmations before we enter any trades. And I'm going to go back to my indicator section. This time around, I'm going to click on indicator window 1, then we'll click on the next indicator, which is the alligator. Okay, now this alligator is going to have the following properties that you see on the screen. We're going to have a jaws period of 2, teeth period of 2, lips period of 2, jaws shift of 10, 10 shift of 10, and lips shift at 10 as well. And then the method is going to be simple, and then apply to close. And once again, on visualization, just allow it to be on all time frames. And then when we get to the styling of the jaws, the lips, and the teeth, we're going to choose the red color for all these. So you can see they are all red. The lips is red, the teeth is red, and the jaws are red as well. And then these will be the final properties for this indicator. So once you're done, you're simply going to click on done. And as you can see, we now have that red line running across our charts. This is the first part of our indicators. We need to move on to the next. So going back to my indicator section, this time around, I'm going to click where it says main window. Now on main window, once again, I'll choose the relative strength index, and I'm going to keep it with the same properties as the first one. So simply click done, and you can see that down below, we have actually created another RSI. Now I'm going to quickly adjust it so that they are fully balanced. on the top and on the bottom, and then I'm going to go back to my indicator section, and this time around I'll click on indicator window 1, and we're going to install our final indicator, which is going to be the money flow index. Is right here, and this indicator is going to have the following properties that you see on my screen: a period of 50, the volumes is tick, and we have these levels as well. And on the style, we have got that blue color. So we've got level 80, level 20, and level 50. Okay, they don't have any description, for you're not going to use them mainly, but these will be the final properties, and we'll click on done. Now, as you can see, we now have the indicator running across our charts like that. And once you have this on your charts, then what's just left is understanding when to buy and when to sell when you're trading. Okay, so we're going to be trading these indices, the penny X and the gain X indices, and we have quite a lot of them. So I'm going to show you a few examples on them. So right now we're currently on gain X 400. We are going to be using the 5-minute time frame with this strategy, and I'm going to show you when to buy and when to sell. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to adjust our zoom level. I like to use the smallest zoom level on the chart. Why? Because it allows me, it gives me higher probability trades, and it allows me to see the bigger picture in the market. I obviously want to trade the bigger picture, not those smaller movements that are going on. So we are going to be using the smallest zoom level, as you can see, and it's just going to be following very simple instructions when trading. Now with this strategy, you can either buy or sell, doesn't matter, be it on GainX or on Paying X. And I'm going to show you how you actually find your trade. So we're going to start off with sell trades because I'm actually seeing a lot of them. And if you want to enter into a sell trade, the first condition that you want to see is you want to see this red line above this 80 level where we have labeled as an entry. So whenever you see the red line getting in any of those ones labeled entries, you're going to check and see, is it above or below? If you're on top, level 80 and above, then you know that you're looking for sell trades. But if you're below level 20 and below, know that you're looking for buy trades. So in this case, we're looking for sell trades. But you're not going to enter right away. You want to confirm once again with your blue line and check if you're also in the extremes of the 80 levels and above. And once you see the money flow index and the alligator aligning in the extremes, then you know that it's time to sell. And as you can see, the market pushed all the way down right in that period. Okay, now obviously our take profit level would have been when the red line would have reached our take profits levels, which is level 50, but you can see that we slightly missed our take profit. So hopefully that trade is still going down. By the way, that is at the current market price right now, so I actually cannot proceed. But let's take a look at previous examples where this indicator or where this strategy actually worked before. Let's take a look at this example. At this point, you can see that the red line reached our extreme, which is level 80, which is our entry zone. And we can also see that the blue line was also in the extremes. So we're simply supposed to sell, and the market pushed all the way up. And you can see that our red line then reached our TP after a big while. So that's when we were actually supposed to take profit right around, uh, sorry, right around this zone, because that's when you find the red line having reached our take profit level. So that was another win that we got from the indicator. We are still selling. Let's take a look and see if we can get buy opportunities even on gain, because on GainX, if you're buying, you're actually catching spikes. Okay, so that's how it actually works. If you're buying, it's like boom, you'll be in spike catching mode. Okay, so right here you can see that the red line got to our 20 level, which is an entry level for a buy zone. So this is the first condition that has to be met if you want to enter buy. And you also want to see your blue line aligning with the same pattern on your 20 level. So you can see that right there. That's exactly what happened. And on your main chart, you can see price pushed all the way up. Now, it's a very simple strategy, as you can see, but it's very effective. Whenever the alligator and uh, the money flow index align in direction, there's usually a good movement. But I want you guys to try this out first before going live with it. Right here, we've got a nice buying opportunity. This is Pine X 600. We got into the red line, got into our 20 level, which you said is a sell, is a buy zone rather, sorry. And we also got the blue line aligning with that, having reached the 20 level, and you can see that the market is actually trying to push up, right? So once again, that one is at current market price. We actually don't know if it is going to reach take profit, but we would want to take profit when this red line then reaches the 50 level. That's how this strategy moves. Once again, we've got a selling opportunity right here. Red line going to our 80 level, blue line also got into the 80 level at the same time, and as you can see, price pushed all the way down. Now on Penex, if you're selling, you're obviously getting spikes going down, and your take profit level is when this red line then reaches your 50 level. Now I want you guys to tell me what you think about this strategy. Try it out on your demo account first before trying out on your real account, and if you are satisfied with the result, then you can actually move on to your real account. And don't forget that you can actually come and trade with me for free and get these signals on these indices. All you have to do is to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. And then you can send me a screenshot to my WhatsApp number. It will be available in our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description box below, and it's free to join, and you'll be able to get my WhatsApp number. You'll also be able to see my trading results, my students' trading results, and anything to do with trading. You'll be able to find help in that community. Until next time.